Love mangoes? Here's how to make delicious, healthy mango juice right at home, in just a few steps. First up, let's pick the right mangoes. Choose ripe mangoes like Alfonso, Quesar, or Atalfo. The sweeter the mango, the better the juice. Just imagine those juicy golden mangoes bursting with flavor. Next, it's prep time. Peel and chop 2 to 3 mangoes. Add a glass of cold water, a teaspoon of sugar or honey, and a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. It's all about balancing that perfect sweet and tangy taste. Now, we blend. Pour everything into a blender and blend for about 30 seconds until it's smooth and creamy. Pro tip: you can strain it if you prefer a thinner juice. Look at that luscious, vibrant mango goodness. Time to serve and chill. Pour the juice into a glass with some ice cubes, and garnish with a slice of mango or a sprig of mint for an extra refreshing touch. Perfect for those hot summer days. Like this fruity tip? Subscribe to Council Craft for more food hacks, recipes, and refreshing ideas. See you next time. Enjoy your fresh mango juice.